The iPhone 12 will be the biggest upgrade in years. It will be the first iPhone to come with 5G support, a quad camera setup and a completely new design. It looks like Apple could add a new camera lens to the iPhone 12 Pro and iPhone 12 Pro Max, as a sketch showing exactly that has reportedly been found in a leaked build of iOS 14. The iPhone 12's new LED AR scanner has been leaked from what looks like internal design illustrations. The leak may represent the final phone that we actually get, but it's clear that Apple is looking to leverage one of the new iPad Pro's top features on the iPhone this fall. Twitter user Fudge made the following post, tagging 3 popular Apple news sites on this image of a quad camera module that looks a lot like the one on the back of the iPhone 12 Pro. The fourth sensor is LED AR sensor, which is designed to accurately measure depth and drastically improve performance in AR apps. Talking about the other features of the phone. It's clear that the notch won't be staying for long. It is just a temporary fix until the technology evolves to the point where sensors can either be hidden under the screen or made smaller so that they can fit in tinier spaces. Apple could be making some big changes to the design and screen for the iPhone 12 range, including getting rid of the notch. Or maybe at least one of the upcoming phones might lack a notch. According to a Chinese site, The Global Times, the front-facing camera potentially set to be embedded under the screen instead. If this happens, we'd expect it to be the most expensive iPhone 12 model that has this feature, likely the iPhone 12 Pro Max, or whatever it launches as. The screen sizes of the new phones are likely to be large, the iPhone 12 with 6.1-inch, 12 Pro with 5.4-inch, and iPhone 12 Pro Max with 6.7-inch screen. It is also being said that the iPhones this time will be up to 10% slimmer, which might make us wonder about the battery. However, let's hope that Apple has found a way to not get it affected. We've been hearing that Apple plans to ditch LCD on its 2020 iPhones for a while now. Analysts seem adamant that we should see a full OLED lineup in 2020. A report in Korean media pointed out that Apple will be buying the OLED panels from Samsung and LG. Samsung will be the main supplier for the Pro models, while LG will be helping out for the 6.1-inch models only. TSMC will manufacture the 5nm chips Apple will use in its 2020 iPhone lineup. The 5nm process will produce chips that are smaller, faster, and more battery efficient due to improved thermal management technology. TSMC will begin producing the A14 processors for the 2020 iPhones in the second quarter of the year. Barclays analyst Blaine Curtis believes the iPhone 12 Pro models will feature 6GB RAM, while the iPhone 12 will have 4GB RAM. Apple is behind when it comes to 5G, as none of the iPhone 11 range offer it, while rival handsets, like the Samsung Galaxy S20 family and OnePlus 7 Pro, do support 5G. Apple's lack of support isn't a big deal right now, as 5G coverage is still very sparse in most countries, but by the time the iPhone 12 launches, it will be more widely available, and a large number of other handsets will support it, so it will be time for Apple to jump on board. The good news is that all the 2020's iPhones will come with 5G support. On the topic of fingerprint scanners, the rumor mill has been kind of erratic. Some claim that Apple plans to put under the screen Touch ID in the near future, others insist these plans have been shelved. And we have to say, it doesn't sound good if they put both Touch ID and Face ID on the iPhone. Because it was always about minimalism, and never about stuffing the iPhone with chock full of features. We expect Apple to follow similar pricing for the iPhone 12 that they did with the iPhone 11 models. It will start at $699 for the regular model, while the Pro and Pro Max will be $999 and $1,099. As you add storage, the pricing will also increase. As it is every year, we expect to see the iPhone 12 lineup announced in early to mid of September month. So, this was the full preview of the Apple iPhone 12. What do you think Apple should include in the new iPhone 12 that would excite you? Please let me know in the comment section below. Thank you for watching this video. Please do hit the like button if you liked it, and for more cool stuff like this, subscribe to Stuffbox and press the bell icon if you haven't. More cool stuff is coming on the channel, just stay tuned. S link.